Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLDP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the orange and green line here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done as the upwards trend has continued. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's make mapping out this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, talked about $8 being a key level of resistance, and you can see that once the price got the break of it right there, that sent the stock up very nicely. And then from that point of view, or from that point on, the price did a great job of staying up above $8. So fantastic to see that play out going forward. Now, as far as overarching levels of support, that is where the purple line here continues to come into play, the 50 period at 7 moving average. So sure, preferably speaking, if the price could hold above 8, that would be a fantastic sign of power. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above this line, as the line itself, hence its term, moving average, moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 8 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Key level that we'll keep an eye on, going to be right up here, and this was nothing fancy or complicated behind it at all, other than the fact of where the party stopped today. And that sits right up there at $8.40. So keep an eye on $8.40, but really resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.